Okay, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is inspired from Michelle McDaniel. Now, I don't know if anybody who watches my videos would also be watching her videos, but I'll link her shit down below. She's a really knowledgeable a personal trainer, and she gives out a shit ton of really good free advice. Plus she talks a lot of shit on her YouTube videos, which I like. But anyways, I was like watching her videos, like binge watching her videos, to be honest. Her channel is called My Thoughts Will Probably Offend You, but her name is Michelle McDaniel. And while I was binge watching her videos yesterday, I came across this video. It's called Instagram Model Gets Upset Over Shared Photo by Alan Roberts, which is another YouTuber that I actually watch, and his channel is called Every Damn Day Fitness. So, basically, let me show you. Basically, this is the thumbnail. That's her, and that's Alan Roberts, one of the dudes she's talking about, and she does cosplay as well as being a personal trainer. So she cosplayed as Hades from Hercules, which I loved that movie when I was a kid. I still love that movie now. Those what do they call them, the three little women that are singing, like, they got me as soon as I was little. Anyways, so the Hades has, the blue flame hair and stuff, and she had, like, the blue flame hair, and then like a darker blue lip, and then like black eyes. But the way my face is set up, I'm not in gray cast like she is, and that ain't gonna work, baby. But I decided to pop a little bit of blue on this. So if you're interested in seeing how this look turns out, then just keep watching. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. Thank you, everybody, actually, for all the love that I got on my last video, which is like our vacation. I appreciate all the views, all the likes, and all my new subscribers. So hi, all my new subscribers. I know Cherie Sims subscribed to me recently. I know Leticia Martinez Flores, she subscribed to me recently. And some other people, but like if you don't have like a made account for YouTube, then it doesn't notify me like who you are. So I had a few of those, but hi, new people who subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you subscribed and you don't have a made YouTube thing, comment your name down below and I'll say hi, you know, like I'm super friendly or whatever. Thank you guys so much for Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos with all of your friends so that they can come to my channel and get some good cheap ass advice for makeup, because makeup doesn't have to be high end. And I made this super cute look without any high-end products, and it was like inspired by a cartoon. So I mean, you guys can totally do that. And go subscribe to Every Damn Day Fitness and Michelle McDaniel. They give really good advice on fitness, and it's not bullshit. They're not trying to sell you anything. Like, fuck everybody else's Insta bullshit. Like, follow an actual personal trainer. And if you don't trust me, just go watch some of their videos and then subscribe. Thank you, everybody. You have a good day. See you next time.